everybody, welcome to my X-Files. At Christmas, of course, we are going to be cleaning, or should I say replacing the dustbin bag for all the Henrys, and I'm showing you how to do it. So, with that said, let's get on with it. And of course, I'm just forgot to say that I should say that all Henrys are basically that. So, that said, first, if you have any tools on, if you are got like 2015 to 2017-18 Henry, you're gonna have to take any domestic tools off the clip if you've got any. And of course, you open this big compartment, which is the motor. So then, of course, you get off this. Seems alright. Not really interested in that. So yeah, basically this Hepaflow bag is full, as you can see. So what you do is put on the lip and put it into disposable, into any bin. But the thing is that when you put it in, you have to put it into a small bin like that. You'll probably have to empty it. So, but with Henry, the tub is empty. So what you need is one of these Henry bags. So these ones have got ×5 high efficiency filter bags, no dust, no mess. What goes in stays in. The perfect fit extends Henry's life, and it fits all Henry, Hetty, Harry and James vacuum cleaners. And also compatible with Henry and James and Numatic 160 all the way to 300. There's only one more of these. Of course, these are the more better vacuum cleaner bags by Numatic Hepaflow, which is supposed to maintain the efficiency of Henry without, unlike the paper dust bags. So what you do is you put it in the black slot here and then fold it back. You may want to give it a bit of a clean before doing anything with it, but I'm not going to do that. And then of course you put on the back on this top, and then you just put the top of the Henry back on. Make sure it's in line with the writing's in line with the house, not unaligned with the house. So there we go. That will be ready for whenever it will be used next. It would probably maybe give you a little bit more suction power, but the thing is, high suction power is when the filter is actually cleaned. So with that actually means to go. So there we go with that quick thing. With that said, thank you for watching my X-Files, and I will see you on the demonstration how to put a new bag into Henry for anybody who doesn't know, who's got a Henry but doesn't know how to do it, of course, which actually is pretty easy. And so thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you again next time, Slugheads. Now, it's the time to clean Henry from the inside. So, of course I know I've got to put a new stuff in there, but I can't say I can't do the outside. Of course I'm using this, which of course is, which as you probably might know, is of course antibacterial, you know. It doesn't need much of a clean, it's actually not that bad in this. Nice big plastic tray cleaner. Just said, well, this is not bad because it doesn't have any
dust on it or anything. That's off at all. Big ballet on all the parts. Henry's nose, and of course around the plastic bits. And what we do is go around the body area. Tickle those front canister wheels on Henry's smile, and of course we turn Henry onto its rear end. Yes. And do the same here. Henry is now very nicely done. And just be careful with that, of course. Make sure, of course, you keep Okay, so that's more or less everything with Henry. Henry now, of course, looks sparkling as ever. So, of course, when he goes back into active service, he will, of course, bring back a little bit of the dirt that was originally there. Which, of course, that's not really in my control, really, but what can I say? It's the best I can do about it. And this is a quick thing. Belly, of course. Okay, so Henry is now clean. So with that said, thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you again next time. Slugheads! Now, the final thing to do with Henry is to get a bit and shiny. He is already starting to dry, but I use some blue for this. It's just a quick buffer, really. As I said, I'll probably come back up with some bits that are still dirty. there we go. So that is of course the full clean of Henry HVR 200. But of course all the others apply to every other kind of Henry, Hetty, James, George, Charles, and all of the other Numatic International Vacuum Cleaners, with all of the replacing the bin, clean it out, dust, giving it a clean on the outside and inside, and of course buffing it afterwards with just a bit of, with either a cloth or a tissue. So with that said, thank you for watching the entire X-Files on how to clean and wash and buff a Henry, and I'll see you again next time. Slugheads!